Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Soundbar packs audio prowess with finely tuned 5W drivers to bring sound to life for a fantastically dynamic. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Vibrate RGB lighting elevates gaming performance. Easily turn on off the light or change the color mode with the. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Wired connection to other devices via the 3.5mm AUX cord. Remarkably compact computer speaker is slim enough to. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict. The tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.